Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bukky and I hope you stay subscribed and be a part of my little family. So today's video is going to be a short one. I'm going to quickly be comparing this to bronzer. One is from Morphe and the other one is from Makeup Revolution that I made a video about a couple last week. So make sure to check that video out. I'm going to leave a link below. And the reason I'm making this video is because, like I said, I want to compare both. I actually ordered this one when I ordered this, and I wanted to compare both in that same video, but this took the longest to come through, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys the difference. And I've heard good things about this bronzer. So I already like this bronzer. I didn't like the way it turned out on my skin tone. So we're just going to start with this one, right? Actually, let's start with the one that I haven't tried before. We're going to start with the Morphe one. So this, like I said, is in Supreme and it says Face and Body Bronzer. And the size is in 20 grams, 20G. Wow. So it's actually bigger than this one. This is in 15.5. Interesting. Let me just open it. Looking at this pan, wow, that is gonna give me some red. And then looking at this one, it looks like this one is more. It has more inside, but I guess because of the shape of this packaging, it makes it look bigger. But Morphe actually has more. It has 20 grams. So I'm dipping into the pan, and oh, the brush is really picking up some good color. Okay, guys, I'm finally getting the red that I wanted. Ooh, just going in. Can you see that? And the upper part of my head. Wow, this is really giving me bronze. No bronzer, bronzed. So for this, I noticed there's not a lot of fallout compared to the Makeup Revolution one. So that's A+ in my book. But yeah, let's try the Makeup Revolution on the other side. Revolution is giving a little bit of fallout just by touching it. But when I tapped on the Morphe one, there was not a lot. There was barely any actually. And it picked up on the brush really nicely. Makeup Revolution. Morphe Makeup Revolution. I really like both. Like, they're doing different things. They're giving me two different vibes that I'm here for, okay? This is not too, like, I can't use this to contour because it's not as dark. The other one that I have, the deep dark, I can definitely use that to contour. But for this, it's giving me more of a cool bronze, you know. Just stepped out into the sun and I got a little bit darker. That's what this side is giving me. And whereas this one is giving me some color, what bronzer is supposed to do. For the Makeup Revolution, if I had gotten the dark instead of deep, yeah, I would have gotten the same effect that I have. I would have gotten the same effect that I have from the Morphe. So let me just say both bronzer are really good and I like both. I like the consistency and their formula, but I think I might like Morphe just a tad bit better because of the no fallout thing, and the brush really pick up the products really nicely. And before I wrap up this video, let me just show you guys the swatch. So that's Morphe, and this is Makeup Revolution. So big difference in the shade and in the undertone. Yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the difference. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Which one do you guys prefer on me, the Makeup Revolution side or the Morphe side? But anyway guys, I know this video is very short. I just wanted to compare both. And yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys are all doing well and you guys are all safe. I love you guys and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay blessed and beautiful. Bye.